Hello guys.
We're going to school, right?
Yeah, it's only half day.
Half day today. Only half day today because we're going to immigration appointment later.
When we started going to school,
Yeah, why not?
you forgot to tell them it's our half day.
Yeah, it's half day nila today. So,
Get up.
so nahatid ko na sila guys. Ayan. Ayan yung school nila. Muntik pa malate ang bata kay mabagal talaga si Lucas kumain. So, nahatid ko na sila. Half day lang sila ngayon. Nagpaalam na kami sa teacher nila kasi may appointment kami sa immigration para sa permit residence card ko. Basta ganun. Kaya half day lang. Pupuntahan namin mamaya. Half day lang. So, alam nyo ba guys,